This video, we're going to go from this to this. And this is on a JBS55S0K2SS model. Okay, so I want to show you how to get inside of here to clean. This one we bought the house was filthy, and the first time I took it apart I did it wrong. Shocking, right? So to take this, to get into this, the quick, easy way, if you don't have a whole lot of cleaning to do, is to remove these screws right here on either end. And these are Torx screws. And this is a, looks like a T15 Torx bit. Oops. Move that screw and set it aside. I'm going to go over here and move this screw. Hi, Rose. Oops. Hi. Oh no. And that has released. And now I can get into here and do this. Now if you want to completely disassemble it, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, to completely remove the door on both sides right here, let's see if I can get, really see, pull these guys up right here, like so, and now you can just simply pull up and remove the door. Okay, after removing the door, there's these 3 screws along the bottom here that have to be taken out. I've already got one off. That's just a 1/4 inch. Be sure to put the screws in a safe place. And then the 2 T15 Torx screws. That one. And they're long. And like that. And now we just separate it. Just like so. And now we can clean it. Then of course just simply reverse and reinstall. Now these right here are the ones that for me were the most difficult, because you got to kind of pull it up just a little bit to get that screw started in there. Like so. I am running these down a little bit, but I'm not tightening them just yet. There we go. Don't go too tight with those. Pretty thin metal that it's screwed into. Snug it up. Go back and tighten these down. Let me see it. And the last one. And then reattach the door. There we go. Put those back down and close. There we go. That's how you clean the inside part of that glass. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.